Yardstyle live.
One from them time there. And when Steely came up with the rhythm and the double trouble rhythm,
Yeah.
I went to mixing lab and I saw Steely and him said, boy, Biggy, me have a bad rhythm here. And him said to the engineer, I think it was Bulby, him said, Bulby, play the rhythm at Biggy here. And so I played the rhythm and I have a song in my head, but I never really record it. But I have it in my head for a while and I start DJ, so we just stop them before them kill somebody because we don't want a more gun mentality. And that song shot from Europe to America all about.
Listen, me can tell you, when me do the record shop, I can say it repeatedly. Me can have that amount of copies, me dance and say that much of place because me see people sit down and analyze and say, I wonder if this virgin I know where I say because if you listen to the lyrics of the song to know, it is still relevant.
That's the thing, when you do message music, the message always continues to the next generation.
And that song is over decades old now.
The song they could do 1992.
You're tuned to Yardstyle live.